in the heart of Jansenville, within the Dr. Beer Snowdeer local municipality, in the Saraparman district municipality. 3 women are demonstrating how access to agricultural land, government support, and determination can create sustainable livelihoods.
Louw, ngifamisha apa Uitkomst Angora goat.
Uitkomst Farm, which spans 5,452 hectares, was acquired through the Proactive Land Acquisition Strategy Program of the then Department of Rural Development and Land Reform. The farm is leased by 3 women, including a youth farmer and daughter of Chairperson Louw. For the beneficiaries, the journey towards establishing their farm enterprise began before they arrived at Uitkomst Farm. They previously farmed at Hardwood Farm, where they participated in a 5-year training program designed to equip them with the skills and experience needed to operate a commercial farming enterprise. After successfully completing the program, the beneficiaries moved to Uitkomst Farm with some of their livestock and officially commenced operations in 2011. Today, the farm has diversified its livestock production to include Angora goats, Boer goats, and cattle. Of the farm's 5,452 hectares, approximately 35 hectares is arable land, while the remainder is predominantly natural grazing land. 1 hectare is allocated to housing. The enterprise initially started with 42 Ngoni cows and 1 bull. The cattle were later sold as the farmers strategically invested in other breeds and expanded their livestock operation. A significant component of the farm's development has been its partnership with the Mohair Empowerment Trust, which provided the beneficiaries with 300 castrated goats, 200 ewes, and 8 rams. The enterprise has also benefited from substantial government investment. During the 2021-2022 financial year, the then Department of Rural Development and Land Reform provided support amounting to 4.7 million. This funding enabled the farmers to acquire a tractor and implements, which are used on the 35 hectares of arable land for pasture production. The farm currently employs 3 permanent workers, contributing to local employment and economic activity. The enterprise's mohair production provides an important source of income. Mohair is sold to Mohair House of Fiber twice a year, while older Angora goats are generally sold after approximately 8 years. Younger goats are sold annually to buyers from KwaZulu-Natal. Below, the journey is evidence of what can be achieved when women are given opportunities to participate meaningfully in agriculture. She is encouraging more women to consider farming not only as a way of producing food, but also as a viable business and source of income for their families.
Kuyaphileka apha, kuyasebenzeka singomama. Omama babangazideli kwindaba ye-farming. Yakubacebisa omama bangene kule industry yaka goat and mohair. Ndizacela nohulumende akhulule umhlaba for omama, anike omama umhlaba.
The story of Uitkomst Farm demonstrates the importance of collaboration between government, development institutions, and agricultural industry partners in supporting emerging farmers. It also highlights the resilience and determination of women who continue to contribute to the growth of the agricultural sector. Lo myalezo niuphathelwe liSebe lezoLimo.